Jack Mehoff, professional race car driver, and I was hoping you guys could help me put together some brake pedals.
Mr. Mehoff, I'm Hercules, this is Xenon, this is Pegasus, and we are partners in the firm of extraordinary manufacturing engineers. Our goal is to collectively achieve mechanical properties and any other requests in regard to your brake pedals. We each have our own focus in the manufacturing process, so feel free to let us know your specifications and we will do our best and leave you nothing less than satisfied.
Okay, well, basically, I've got these specs right here for the brake pedal. Yield strength needs to be 25 KSI or higher, and the ultimate tensile strength should be 35 KSI or higher. It's a pretty small batch I'm making for some other drivers, so we only need about 50 brake pedals.
Okay.
That sounds very doable, Jack.
Okay, Mr. Mehoff, for you, we're going to use an aluminum casting instead of steel. Its weight saving will improve performance and fuel economy. There's roughly a 5-pound difference in weight.
That's good.
And we can implement a sleek design without the use of the rubber pad that you normally see on the brake pedals. There is less machining required. We can eliminate fixturing, welding, and finishing operations that are typically required for the steel assemblies, thus saving you time and money.
That sounds good. Yeah, you definitely want to save some money.
I figured you'd like that.
We would like a quick turnaround as well. Oh, that sounds good. Just tell me a little bit more about the manufacturing process that we're going to use.
Okay, so I have 3 different casting methods that I can talk to you about, which are sand, dye, and investment. And basically with sand casting, you're going to take a mold and then surround the surface with sand, then apply the material into the mold. With this requirement, you are going to have a little bit of rework. So basically grinding, machining, and welding will be necessary to complete this process.
Okay.
And you won't be given a smooth surface finish. With die casting, the material is being injected into a mold, basically surrounded by dies. And basically by doing this, the material is, when doing this, basically you're looking at high or major production speed time. So if you're looking for producing how many were you looking for again?
We only need 50.
Yeah, about 50 parts a day. Investment casting sounds like the best for you.
Okay.
And with investment casting, basically, you just take plastic-like molds, they dip them in ceramics, and then by applying the material in there, they use these high-pressure materials and vibrations to basically break the ceramics, so then that your metal and everything is all good to go.
Okay.
With this, so you will not need reworking. So you're looking about getting 50 and done, and you're pretty much good to go.
Oh yeah, that sounds good. If we'd be able to eliminate some of that rework and keep down those tight tolerances and get a good finish, we want it to look good.
Right. Yeah. So investment casting is true.
So to build off what Pegasus and Hercules said, to achieve the certain specifications, we're going to have to use an aluminum alloy for the brake pedals.
Yeah.
So alloying is a process of using one or more metal elements in specific combinations to achieve specifications.
And how's that going to help get our point right?
Okay, so the specifications that it's going to help achieve is that it's going to make sure that the brake pedals are strong and tough, and that they have a smooth surface finish.
Okay, yeah.
And from the casting perspective, the aluminum would need a plastic mold so it'll be able to fill it, so it won't fill it as fast.
Okay.
And aluminum's the right viscosity, so it won't harden and cause cracks prematurely.
Sounds good.
Alright, so by the sounds of this, have we seemed to meet all your expectations or satisfy you?
Yeah, it sounds like that investment casting method is going to be right for this batch size and for the tolerances and finishing that we need, and then the aluminum alloying method sounds great for getting a good cast and getting the right strength and finish as well.
Okay.
Well, glad we could help.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For coming to us today.
Pegasus, Hercules, Xenon.
I try so hard, can't seem to get away from misery.